I'm finishing the PhD, and I got this opportunity through this Public History French Festival, which offered to transform 8 PhD topics into video games, and I was lucky to be one of them.
So the main target of this video game is, of course, the student.
My research topic investigates how material culture reveals the processes of the standardization of the past through the study of historical reconstruction. So these were ephemeral attractions which were built in the exhibition parks of World's Fair at the end of the 19th century for approximately 6 months. And this attraction reconstructed pieces of medieval and modern cities with their past streets and houses, and they were populated by actors in period costume reenacting the professional and recreational activities of their national ancestors. I examine how the entrepreneurs of this attraction constructed but also staged and commodified the past according to their own agenda for millions of visitors. So one of the things which surprised me the most during my doctoral research was the constant uncertainty of the origin of the artifact displayed and sold within the historical reconstruction, because the entrepreneurs, even in their own writing, were maintaining a certain vagueness about if this artifact were historically original or if there were imitations. This video game was created in 48 hours on the initiative of the French Public History Festival, Les Rendez-vous de l'Histoire, and it was based on my PhD topic. The player is immersed in the historical reconstruction of the Old Paris, which was built in the Universal Exhibition of 1900s. And they discover a late 15th century printing workshop, and they have to uncover the anachronistic elements placed by the entrepreneurs by mistake. In designing this video game with the team, we try to recreate some of the immersive experience of 19th century visitors to Old Paris. So as in 1900s, the players will be able to understand the creation of a national narrative, but also to walk through a reconstructed setting, manipulate the artifact which composed the setting, and also hunt for anachronism, which was one of the public's favorite activities within the attraction.
About what was important for me and what could be accessible to someone who never heard about historical reconstruction before. So it was very different. It was a very different exercise from conferences or articles, and I felt that it was a bit like a present at the end of, like a present that I did to myself at the end of this PhD.
I was also very lucky to engage with the public of the festival. So I had the opinion of many high school teachers, but also like students or any person who came because they just loved history and they were able to tell us their first impression on the video game. So it was a beautiful opportunity to actually have the first opinion of public.